sands, Battle of Mirbat, small brave band. 10-1 they faced the fight, British Special Air Service manned the fort. Fijian son stood tall that day, gave his life the warrior way. Not holding back, he took his stand, true to duty for his land. Labalaba, Fijian lion strong, your courage lives forever in song. Shell by shell, your spirit fire on, freedom flame still burning long. She are torn out, but he carried on, manning that 25-pound gun. Shell after shell, smirking the sky, in the foe as rounds flew by. Sekotaka Vesi survived Kalashnikov fire. Brothers call that heart inspired, but on the gun he breathed his last. Hero name forever cast. Shores to Hereford ground, echo of thunder on her sound. Little plot where he now sleeps, in sacred soil the memory keeps. Valiant soul, medal denied, but in the heart you're glorified. Fiji and Britain army stand, unite, salute brave trooper, die true to duty. Raise the talk, Noah, lay out the bully. Tell the story by firelight. Now walk us sons, brave and free. Stand in the shade of heroes' tree. No cross of metal can define the gold of courage so divine. Your spirit marches on the breeze, across the sands and island sea.